This video is sponsored by Wix Filters. Visit wixfilters.com for more information.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, editor of Fleet Equipment, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. Penske Truck Leasing recently announced it has successfully completed its 1 millionth voice-directed preventative maintenance inspection using its recently deployed paperless technology. The system provides voice prompts via a headset to direct maintenance technicians through a preventative maintenance inspection. And while you can read more about it in the July issue of Fleet Equipment, it's one of those technologies that you really have to see to believe. So I stopped by a local Penske location and got an inside look at the system in action. Check it out.
To start work, say ready.
Ready.
Section unit damage inspection, say ready.
Ready.
Welcome to Penske's Dynamic Voice PM system. As we continue to update PM steps, it's critical that you listen to each one. Our success in providing a quality PM for our customers is riding on your shoulders. This system has been a huge success and you should take pride in knowing you have set the bar extremely high that no other trucking company can compare. Keep up the good work. In ServiceNet, click the task list. Check for any other PMs that need to be done. Add all unscheduled jobs and any DVIR write-offs to this repair order. Remember, at Penske we take pride in our equipment. That is why we use paper floor mats and plastic seat covers during our repairs. Be sure to install them on every unit. Gather the following equipment on your way to find the unit: dash accessory tester, AC temperature gauge and brake test timer. Say ready to continue. Perform vehicle walkaround. Is there any damage? Yes. Is driver's side seat cushion in good condition? Yes. Driver's door lock and latch work correctly?
Yes.
Yes. Windshield wiper washer system working correctly? Skip section. Correct?
No.
Windshield wiper washer system working correctly? Yes. Is this unit equipped with a collision avoidance system?
No.
Yes. Is the windshield area clean and free of debris so the avoidance system can perform properly? Undo last entry. Correct? Is this unit equipped with a collision avoidance system? No. Accelerator, treadle foot valve, and clutch pedal operating properly?
For more in-depth truck equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.